To now ethene. Now if I write down the structure of ethene, eth means 2 carbon, 1 and 2. ene is double bond. So between the 2 carbon, I'm going to put a double bond. And then we know that carbon is what? Each carbon, it is tetravalent. So the first carbon, already it has a 2 bond. So 3 and 4, and then you put hydrogen. The second carbon, 2, it has already double bond, 2, then 3, and then 4. Now comes the tricky part. The first carbon, now we are going to count the number of sigma bond. Now, how many sigma bond? Here, 1, 2, and out of these 2, that means from this double bond, only one sigma bond is present. The other one is pi bond, right? So the first carbon atom, it has total 3 sigma bond. So this is what? This will be SP2, because 3 sigma bonds means what? It is SP2 hybridization. Clear? Coming to now, propene, same way you're going to solve. This will be your homework. You can solve it on your own.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like this video, subscribe for the full course and drop your question in the comments. And don't miss the next video in this series. It's linked right here on the screen. Keep learning and I'll see you in the next one.